My name is Eli Sukal. I'm the Senior Applications Engineer with Holmbury Inc., and I'm here to show you our demo stand at ConX 2023. So the first thing we're going to do right now is cycle this so that we can build some pressure, and we're at about 2,000 PSI. So this is our decompression block, and this is unique in our patented design because in order to decompress this, rather than some other methods, we pull this pin. And you'll see that when I pull the pin, the pressure drops to zero. So this is a very simple pull, one finger, you can see, takes only 7 pounds of force, so it's intentionally very simple, but also enough that you have to be doing it on purpose to make sure it falls. This is our HCP coupler, and the way this works is there is a micro valve inside the body, and that micro valve allows for the pressure to build up internally so that the poppet can depress and we can still connect under pressure. So when you take this, you slide it into the female, and you connect. Pressure falls to zero now that a connection has been made from the 2,000 PSI. Takes very little force beyond what you would expect and beyond what you would want in order to make sure it's a secure connection. So I'm going to cycle, pressurize this FSC, the screw to connect flat face, up to about 2,000 PSI. And you can see when connecting this, you have to thread a little bit, but once it starts, it's very simple to turn. And you'll see any second now, the pressure is going to fall to zero as soon as the connection is made. And then in order to fully thread, you do have to cover the O-ring just in case, otherwise there has a risk of pressure leaking out and causing an issue in the system. And we do have a warning on our website with this information so that you can make sure when installing it that everything is done correctly.